Hi, in this video I will show how to create KMZ file from old Excel XLS file. You can see on my computer I have open XLS file. It's my track XLS, and I don't have Excel on this computer, but I have Excel mobile. It's just showing what is inside of XLS file, but without possibility to change it. You can see I have three most important column here. It's a timestamp, it's a latitude, longitude, and elevation. I'll be using these columns to create KMZ track data file. So in order to do this, I will download application from my website. This is my website. To find app, I'll click on search and type KMZ, and I need this create KMZ file. And I will click on Xls To Kmz and click on download to start downloading process, and valid archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on how to create KMZ from different sources. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also, KMZ can store different types of GPS information, including points of interest and polygons. But in this video, we will be recording only creating KMZ track. So you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have application installed on my computer. I have new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is three steps process. In first step, we have to select input file. Also, if you want to see to have a file I showed, demo file I showed before, you can click on this download input example link, and it will be downloaded to your computer. So I will click on select input file, navigate to my track XLS. It's old Excel file. Click on next step, and here I have to select map between KMZ track columns on the left with columns from my Excel file. So for example, latitude column is latitude name, and you may have a different Excel file and may have different columns in that Excel file, but the most important thing is if you map latitude to latitude column, whatever name is in your file, longitude to longitude. Let's select longitude. Longitude and altitude as well. It's elevation and time, of course, timestamp. And after everything is selected, click on next step, and the final step is just click run to create KMZ file and give name and location of this file. This name is location is okay, just click save. File has been saved. Now let's go to Google Maps and import this file into Google Maps just to make sure that it's showing correctly. Select file, click open, and you can see file has been successfully imported, and I see I can recognize this track on the map. So yeah, basically that's it. We created KMZ from Excel, and we imported it into Google Maps, and we have our track in Google Maps. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.